Hello guys, and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to draft effective follow-up emails for sales leads using ChatGPT. Following up is crucial to keep your prospects engaged and move deals forward. Let's get started. When drafting follow-up emails, it's important to be polite, concise, and clear about this next step. ChatGPT helps you create professional messages that maintain a positive tone while reminding your leads about your offer. Start by opening ChatGPT and logging in, and in the chat box, type a prompt like write a follow-up email for a sales lead who hasn't responded after the initial contact, offering to answer questions and schedule a call. Include details about your product or savings and your goal for the follow-up. ChatGPT will generate a message template that thanks the lead for their time, briefly restate your value proposition, and invites them to engage further. You can customize the email to match your style and specific situation. Using ChatGPT saves you time and helps you maintain consistent professional communications that improves your chances of closing sales. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.